How to automatically translate WhatsApp messages. Struggling to understand WhatsApp messages in another language? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically translate WhatsApp messages on Android in real time using a simple free app from Google. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll be translating messages like a pro without switching apps. Step 1. Download Google Translate. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap the search icon in the bottom right-hand corner. In the search bar, type Google Translate and tap Search. It should be the first result, with over 1 billion downloads. Tap Install and wait for it to finish installing. Once installed, tap Open to launch Google Translate. Step 2. Enable Tap to Translate feature. Inside the app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Now go to Tap to Translate. Toggle this feature on to allow quick access to translations. Next, you'll be prompted to allow some permissions. Tap Manage Permissions. Enable Appear on top, so Google Translate can overlay on your screen. You can also enable the floating icon for even faster access. Step 3. Download languages, optional but recommended. To translate messages offline, make sure to download your target languages. This ensures translations still work even without internet access. Step 4. Translate WhatsApp messages automatically. Now, open WhatsApp and navigate to any message you want to translate. Long press on the message and tap Copy. Once copied, the Google Translate floating icon will automatically pop up. Tap on it, and your message will be instantly translated. No need to switch apps or paste anything manually. And that's it. You now know how to auto-translate WhatsApp messages effortlessly on Android. If this helped you, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.